The AMA needs you and you need the AMA, drone flyer. Tonight's Drone and Sundry is going to be all about Section 336 and the FAA Reauthorization Act of 2018. There's some serious stuff coming down the hill and we've got to start paying attention as a drone and model flying community. Why the pictures of the old bloke with the balsa wood aeroplane? Well, that's Maynard Hill. That number 14 on the wing is his AMA number. In 2003, along with a small team, they successfully flew TAM 5 from America to Ireland, TAM Transatlantic Model. Now, Maynard was a record breaker and innovator of note, and we can't let the next generation of Maynard Hills, be they boy or girl, down. As regards the Reauthorization Act, there's wording in there to suggest that pay to play is coming down the hill. So we've got to be careful, we've got to watch out, we've got to pull together.
Yeah. Kids and come up with almost exactly the same number. We still don't have it we don't have it on the until it's about 12 miles out. That would be about 45 minutes from now.
309 meters. Our heading is 94 true.
Right.
The ground speed is 85, and at the moment it's 10.6 kilometers away from us.
Right.
10 kilometers off the coast.
10 kilometers away.
10 kilometers off the coast.
8 kilometers out. That's like less than 10 minutes away.
Less than 10 minutes.
And double check them again.
Everyone cross the fingers.
Does it give you a lat log?
Yeah, it's what's that? 5326.4.
What is it?
5326.4.
Look at it.
Where?
We have it there.